Welcome students to class 3 maths lesson 1 numbers and number names session 2. Before we go further, let us first look at the solutions of worksheet 1. Worksheet 1 I had shared in my previous video. First question was, read the abacus and write the numerals and its number name. The first abacus we have, in one's place we have one bead. So 1 will come there. In the tens spike we have 4 beads. So 4 will come under tens. In hundred spike we have 2 beads. So 2 will come there. And in thousand spike we have 2 beads. So 2 will come. This gives us the number under the place value. Let us read it. It is actually 2 thousands, 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 1 ones. So 4 tens is 40. How will we read this number? We will read it as 2241. So the number name will be 2241. Let us come to the next one. Here in one spike we have 3 beads. So we will write 3 below ones. In 10 spike we have 3 beads, so we will write 3 there again. In 100 spike we have 4 beads, so we will write 4 in the hundreds column. And in 1000 spike we have 1 bead, so we will write 1 in the thousands column. Now let us read the number. It is 1433. Question number 2. Show the given numerals on the abacus and make its place value chart. Here is the abacus and the number is 2013. We will start with 3. We will put 3 beads in the 1 spike. Then 1 bead in the 10 spike. Now hundreds has 0 there, so we will not put any bead in the 100 spike. We will go to the 1000 spike. There we will put 2 beads. Let us put it in the place value chart. It is already in the place value form if you look at the bottom of the abacus and the number written below. But when they ask us to write in the place value chart, we have to draw a separate chart and write it there. Like this. Okay. Next one. The number is 3031. 1 is in the ones place. So 1 bead in the 1 spike. Tens place 3 beads. 100. No bead will go in this spike because it is 0. We have 3000. So 3 beads in the 1000 spike. Now look at this. If you write the number below the abacus, the place value chart is formed. So this is what we will copy in the place value chart and our chart will be made. Question number 3. Fill in the placeholders. The first one, 1290. So here we have 0 in the ones place. So we'll write 0 here. Then we have 9 in the tens place. After that we have 2 which is in the hundreds place. Followed by last digit is 1 which is in the thousands place. Similarly we will fill in digits for the next number. 5 in the ones place. 3 in the tens place. 2 in the hundreds place. And 9 in the thousands place. Last number is 1021. So we'll take the digit 1 and fill it in the ones place, 2 in tens place, 0 in hundreds place and 1 in the thousands place. Now this brings us to the end of the solutions of worksheet 1. Numbers and figures. I've taken an example here, 4082. First we'll make a place value chart. Then we will read the number. Here, if you have a place value chart, you can read from anywhere, but it is better to start from the rightmost digit. So last we have 2. So in the ones place, we will put 2. Then after that, we have 80. 80 is 8 tens. That means we will put 8 in the tens column. Nothing in the hundred. So we will write 0 for hundreds. And after that, we have 4000. So we will write 4 in the thousands place. So the number formed will be 40 4082. The number in figures will be 4082. Then number names. I have taken the example 8542. Now to write the number name, let us first put it in the place value chart. So in the ones column we have 2, in tens column we have 4, hundreds column we have 5, thousands column we have 8. Now this is basically 8 thousands, 500, 4 tens. 4 tens is 40 and 2 ones. So when we say the number name, it will become 8542. Expanded form. I have taken the example here 9517. And when we put it in the place value table, we get the numbers like this. And this is basically 9 thousands, 500s, 1 tens, 1 tens is 10 and 7 ones. Now from here we can write this in expanded form like this. 9000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 7. You don't have to write the in-between step of 9,000s, 500s, 110s and 7 ones. When you have the number, you can directly write the expanded form. Short form. Short form is just the reverse of the expanded form. The expanded form is given to us and we have to convert it back to short form. Now this is 4 thousands, 8 hundreds, 3 tens and 6 ones. From here I can again convert it back to a number. First I put it in the place value chart so that it becomes easy. In ones we have 6 ones. So we will write 6 in the ones column, 3 tens, 3 in the tens column, 8 hundreds, 8 in the hundreds column and 4 thousands, 4 in the thousands column. Number thus formed will be 4836. The first line where it is written 4000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 6. After that, you can directly write 4836. These two steps that I have shown are for your understanding. You don't have to write these steps when you do sums in your copy. Now students, let us do a worksheet to enhance your understanding. Worksheet number 2. Question 1. Write the number names of the following numbers. A part 6813. B 7615. Question number 2. Write the numbers in figures. A 1243. B 9909. Question number 3. Interchange the digits at thousands and tens place and rewrite the number. A part 5210. B 9374. Now here I'll explain a little the digit at the thousands place and tens place. So which are the digits? Let's see in question 1. So tens place we have 1, thousands place we have 5. Now we have to change their position. So 1 will come in 5's place, 5 will come in 1's place, and then you have to write whatever the new number is formed. Question 4. Rewrite the following numbers by using the digits in the reverse order. A part 8521. B 3443. Question number 5. Fill in the missing digits. A part 9523 is equal to dash thousands, 500s, dash tens, dash ones. B part 2547, 2000s, dash hundreds, dash tens, dash ones. Question number 6. Write the following numbers in expanded form. A part 5216 is equal to dash plus dash plus dash plus dash. So here you have to write it in figures only. Okay. B part 3800 is equal to dash plus dash plus dash plus dash. Question number 7. Write the following numbers in short form. So if you have not understood question number 6, the question 7, the question itself tells you how you have to write in question number 6. Okay. Now A part is 9,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 1. So you have to write the short form and form a number out of this. B part 2,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 7. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. Now students, if you feel you can do all the 7 questions given in worksheet 2, do hit the like button. Good luck with your worksheet. And until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.